Plant FAQs, Crinum calamistratum. My experience with Crinum calamistratum, a unique aquarium plant. Hello, fellow aquarists. My name is Ferb Vu, and today I want to share my journey with one of the most intriguing plants you can add to your freshwater aquarium, Crinum calamistratum. This plant is known for its unique curly leaves and ability to add a striking visual element to any tank. In this article, I'll walk you through everything I've learned about planting, trimming, and caring for Crinum calamistratum. What is Crinum calamistratum? Crinum calamistratum is an aquatic plant native to West Africa. It belongs to the Amaryllidaceae family and is known for its long, slender, and wavy leaves that can create a beautiful, flowing effect in an aquarium. This plant thrives in freshwater environments and is popular among aquarists for its aesthetic appeal and relatively easy maintenance. Planting Crinum calamistratum is relatively straightforward. When I first introduced this plant to my aquarium, I made sure to follow these steps for optimal growth. Substrate. Choose a nutrient-rich substrate, as Crinum calamistratum benefits from good root nutrition. I used a mix of aquarium soil and fine gravel. Placement. Place the bulb of the plant just under the substrate, ensuring that the top part of the bulb is slightly exposed. This prevents the bulb from rotting. Lighting. Provide moderate to high lighting. Crinum calamistratum does well with about 2 to 3 watts per gallon of light. I found that placing my tank near a source of indirect natural light helped as well. Water conditions. Maintain a temperature between 72 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 to 28 degrees Celsius, with a pH level of 6.0 to 7.5. I keep my tank at around 76 degrees Fahrenheit, and the plant has been thriving. How to care for Crinum calamistratum. Caring for Crinum calamistratum involves a few key considerations. Fertilization. Regularly fertilize the substrate to ensure the plant receives enough nutrients. I use root tabs every couple of months. Water changes. Perform regular water changes to keep the water clean and nutrient levels balanced. I change about 25 to 30% of the water every 2 weeks. Algae control. Keep an eye on algae growth. Crinum calamistratum can be prone to algae buildup on its leaves, which can be managed by adding algae-eating fish or snails to your tank. How big does Crinum calamistratum get? Crinum calamistratum can grow quite large under the right conditions. In my experience, the leaves can reach lengths of up to 20 to 40 inches, 50 to 100 centimeters. The plant itself can spread out to occupy a significant portion of your tank, so it's important to consider this when planning your aquarium layout. Can you trim Crinum calamistratum? Yes, you can trim Crinum calamistratum, though it's not always necessary. The plant grows slowly, and its long, flowing leaves often maintain a natural aesthetic that doesn't require frequent trimming. How to trim Crinum calamistratum. If you do decide to trim Crinum calamistratum, follow these steps to ensure the plant remains healthy. Identify leaves. Look for leaves that are damaged, yellowing, or excessively long. Cut carefully. Using sharp, sterilized scissors, trim the leaves close to the base of the plant. Be gentle to avoid damaging the bulb or other leaves. Regular maintenance. Trim the plant sparingly, only when necessary to remove unhealthy leaves or to control size. How to propagate Crinum calamistratum. Propagating Crinum calamistratum can be a rewarding experience. Here's how I've successfully propagated mine. Offsets. Look for small bulbs or offsets growing from the main bulb. These can be carefully separated and planted in the substrate. Patience. Propagation can be slow, so patience is key. Ensure the new bulbs receive the same care as the parent plant. When will you get Crinum calamistratum in stock? For those looking to add Crinum calamistratum to their collection, availability can vary. It's often best to check with local aquarium stores or reputable online retailers. I usually find that spring and early summer are the best times to purchase aquatic plants, as this is when many suppliers restock. In conclusion, Crinum calamistratum is a fantastic addition to any freshwater aquarium. Its unique appearance and relatively low maintenance requirements make it a favorite among aquarists. With proper planting, care, and occasional trimming, you can enjoy the beauty of this plant in your own tank. Happy planting!